Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University, your spot for helpful how-tos with Redcat Racing vehicles. Today we have the Gen 7 Pro on our workbench, and we're going to install the aluminum knuckle and link set that I have right here. This is a great set for improving durability on your Gen 7 Pro, which may already have the high clearance knuckles on it, or if you have a Gen 7 with standard knuckles on the front, this will help with the steering and durability as well. All right, let's get to work. Okay, so first up, we suggest removing the body. It's going to make life a lot easier working on the truck. And of course, the next step is to remove the wheels. After removing the wheels, take the servo horn and position it straight down. Then, using a 2mm hex driver, remove the retaining screw that holds the horn to the servo, followed by removing the servo horn. Remove the wheel hexes and the wheel pins from the axles. Next, you can remove the screws from the steering links using a 2mm hex driver and a box wrench. With the stock links removed, you can now unscrew the rod ends and transfer them to the new links. Repeat the process for the drag link. When reinstalling the rod ends on the drag link, make sure the ball ends are in the same position as the factory position. Now we can remove the factory steering knuckle. Unscrew the two kingpin screws that secure the knuckle to the axle. You can do so in the truck by twisting the axle just a little bit to gain access with your hex driver. Now you can slide the steering knuckle off the axle. Be sure not to lose the knuckle bushings, these will be transferred over to the new knuckle. Slide the bearings out of the plastic knuckle and transfer them to the new aluminum knuckle. After transferring the bearings to the new knuckles, reinsert the bushings and reinstall the knuckle on the axle. Reinstall the kingpin screws. And finally, reinstall the linkages and remaining hardware in reverse order that you took it apart. There they are, our new high clearance knuckles and links installed. Now before heading out for some fun, remember to adjust your dual rate on your radio system so no damage occurs to the servo. Links to the products used in this video will be in the description below, and while you're there, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you back soon for another Redcat Racing how-to video.